What's up, EBOIGBI people? EBOIGBI the first here, and yeah, this is pretty great.
I am super mega almighty, omniscient, omnipresent, omnipotent God.
Before this video starts, give this video a like, and also make sure you comment after you get to watch this video. So just give this video a like, and then comment, hey yeah, comment, I am an EBOIGBI person, comment, hey yeah, then comment, I am an EBOIGBI person, okay? Because this is how we will run YouTube, okay? I'm talking to you EBOIGBI people. This is how we get to run YouTube. This is how we get to own the platform. This is how we get to dominate this platform, okay? So yeah, this is how we get to run YouTube. First of all, we have a lot of EBOIGBI people. I will get to show you this in the second. Hold up right there. So yeah, here are the followers that I get to explain to you. So yeah, we have EBOIGBI trust sharers. Also, they tell them how to post, how to post many sites that they have posted in the comment section. Okay, like so EBOIGBI trust sharers basically go to other YouTubers. EBOIGBI trust sharers. Okay, I will tell they post all what EBOIGBI trust sharers says in this comment section. In this my comment section is like the amount of people that they have shared my post to. So like in the comments, if you want to be an EBOIGBI trust sharer, share my videos to a lot, recommend it in a lot of YouTubers channels, recommend it in a lot of YouTubers content a lot, and then you earn it by renaming your name EBOIGBI trust sharers, and then writing the feedback of I shared 167 EBOIGBI the first post today. I shared 200 EBOIGBI the first post today. So that is your job, EBOIGBI trust sharer. Your job is to report on my comment section how many people you have shared my videos to and how many people you have recommended me to. So that is what you do. And then you have EBOIGBI cocksuckers, okay? EBOIGBI cocksuckers, they fulfill my desires, be it sexual, whatever. So EBOIGBI cocksuckers, especially mostly female, like the job is to please me. Your job is to suck my cock. That's why you're an EBOIGBI cocksucker, okay? The point is to suck my cock. You can write in the comments how you fantasize with sucking my cock and like how much you want to suck my penis. So that's the point that you get to watch and you get to understand the EBOIGBI cocksuckers, okay? Then EBOIGBI glorifiers, you must make fan edits most of my majestic presence. Okay, you get to make fan edits of my presence. Okay, that is EBOIGBI glorifiers. Your job currently is to create more content about me, and then come to this comment section and make sure you rename your name EBOIGBI glorifier, and then your feedback is I made 100 content on EBOIGBI the first today. That's what you get to comment in the comment section. This is how we get to rule YouTube. Okay, this is how we get to rule YouTube. Then we have EBOIGBI unifiers. Anytime there's arguments between each EBOIGBI god, you consider them. So basically, everybody that watched my video here, including you are an EBOIGBI god now. So this is your job now. This is how we get to rule YouTube. You're an EBOIGBI god, okay? So that's the point. So anytime there's argument between each EBOIGBI god, you get to counsel them because you're EBOIGBI unifier, and that's what EBOIGBI unifiers do. And then we have EBOIGBI philosophers. So you EBOIGBI philosophers, your job is to question my doctrine. Every word that I say, like in the comment section, always question it, ask questions, okay? And that's what EBOIGBI philosophers do. Why EBOIGBI lovers just comment what I love? Like, just comment what you love rather. You're an EBOIGBI lover. You can comment how happy your day was going this weekend. You can comment what's going on in your house. Well, like how many Doritos you got, how many Pepsi you got in your freezer. Just like comment how happy you are. Feel free. This is your channel too. It's not only my channel. This channel is your channel too. So you get to do what you want to. You can comment, be happy, make yourself the star of the show. That's the point, and I'm happy for you. That's why you are EBOIGBI lovers. This is what EBOIGBI lovers do. You comment what you love and you comment about the content, and then you still get to comment about the post, and then you comment about the goal that we and ambition that we get to do together. But also be free and enjoy yourself. This is our channel, okay? This is our channel. Alright. So yeah, there's EBOIGBI pest. Justice for this PSP. Go to other channels and type I am SMAOOG. So use my picture and then post in different comment sections and type I am SNICKERS. So that's your job, EBOIGBI test. EBOIGBI test. EBOIGBI KPEST. EBOIGBI test. So your job is to go to other YouTube channel and write I am SMAOOG, I am SMAOOG. Using my profile picture, you can use my picture, and then you just go to the comment section. I am SMAOOG, I am SMAOOG, I am SMAOOG. That's going to get post in other YouTubers platform, okay? And so yeah, that's exactly how it is. That's exactly what we do. This is exactly how we get to do it. And this is exactly why I'm putting my trust in you people, because you are boy people, you are boy girls, and this is how we get to rule YouTube, because we get to rule this channel, we get to rule this platform, we get to rule this subscribers count box, we get to dominate this content making game, okay? I am up there. I'm an elite. I am super mega almighty omniscient omnipresent omnipotent God. I am super almighty mega omniscient omnipresent omnipotent God. I am almighty super mega omniscient omnipresent omnipotent God. So yes, this is how we get to rule. This is how we get to build this channel. And this is how we get to go forward and upward to the rising trust of our full potential in this YouTube game. And I'm so happy and I'm so grateful. And I'm so happy that this is exactly how we get to do things. This is exactly how we get to do things. And yeah, so that's it. Now my ad starts in 3, 2, 1, and after my ad, you guys get to watch my final outro. So my ad starts in 3, 2, 1.
I am extremely rich. I am extremely wealthy right now. I absolutely love being a trillionaire. I have $1 trillion now in my bank account. I can see on my bank statement that there is now $1 trillion. I am extremely rich. I am extremely wealthy right now. I absolutely love being a trillionaire. I have $1 trillion now in my bank account. I can see on my bank statement that there is now
Superstar icon. Alright, let's go.
Look at me now, what I've been doing, I've been going grocery shopping in town. Getting your things, I've been thinking about you all of the time.
Can't get a two-street number show, and I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though.
Even though there's a baby around,
Can't get a two-street number show, and I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though.
to the edge of the night, whatever, I'll be coming back home from grocery shopping.
Hold on, where's my wish list?
Okay, look at me now, what I've been doing, I've been going grocery shopping in town. Getting your things, I've been thinking about you all of the time.
Can't get a two-street number show, and I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though.
Even though there's a baby around,
Can't get a two-street number show, and I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though.
to the edge of the night, whatever, I'll be coming back home from grocery shopping.
Hold on, where's my wish list?
Okay, look at me now, what I've been doing, I've been going grocery shopping in town. Getting your things, I've been thinking about you all of the time.
Can't get a two-street number show, and I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though.
Even though there's a baby around,
Can't get a two-street number show, and I'll be taking my time when I'm with you.
to the edge of the night, whatever, I'll be coming back home from grocery shopping.
Hold on, where's my wish list?
Okay, look at me now, what I've been doing, I've been going grocery shopping in town. Getting your things, I've been thinking about you all of the time.
Can't get a two-street number show, and I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though.
Even though there's a baby around,
Can't get a two-street number show, and I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though.
to the edge of the night, whatever, I'll be coming back home from grocery shopping.
Hold on, where's my wish list?
Look at me now, what I've been doing, I've been going grocery shopping in town. Getting your things, I've been thinking about you all of the time.
Can't get a two-street number show, and I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though.
Even though there's a baby around,
Can't get a two-street number show, and I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though.
to the edge of the night, whatever, I'll be coming back home from grocery shopping.
Hold on, where's my wish list?
Okay, look at me now, what I've been doing, I've been going grocery shopping in town. Getting your things, I've been thinking about you all of the time.
Can't get a two-street number show, and I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though.
Even though there's a baby around,
Can't get a two-street number show, and I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though.
to the edge of the night, whatever, I'll be coming back home from grocery shopping.
Hold on, where's my wish list?
Okay, look at me now, look at me now, look at me now. There's a baby around, a baby around. Now whatever, I'll be coming back home.
You made it to the end of the video. That's fucking great. Alright, that's so fucking great. I'm so happy you guys made it to the end of the video. So yeah, I'm so happy and I'm so grateful. And yeah, Make sure you give this video a like, make sure you share, and make sure you comment. And yeah, enjoy yourself and come back for the next video. Also, don't forget to order my products. You get them through the link in the description. And then enjoy yourself. You should enjoy yourself, okay? Enjoy yourself and have fun, okay? That's the point of this channel. That's the point of what we're doing here. This is the message for this channel. I'm grateful and I'm happy that we are doing the right thing, and then we're moving forward and we're moving upwards, okay? So yeah, thanks a lot for watching this video. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy. Peace.
I am super mega almighty, omniscient, omnipresent, omnipotent God.